Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nirenstein, and this is Vehicle Virgins. If you missed the last couple episodes, I traveled all the way out to Michigan. I'm about to head to the drift track with Ty to take his new E36 M3 sideways. Then tomorrow, we are headed off to the Rally Kings Rally all the way to St. Louis. It is gonna be an absolute riot. Nice hat, hello. So where are we going right now?
We are going drifting at Auto City Speedway.
Auto City Speedway?
Yes.
Sweet. And have you ever drifted this car before?
I did a donut.
You did a donut. You got this like a week ago, right?
Yeah.
Wow, it is beautiful this time of year in Michigan. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the differential is whining like crazy right now. That's because Ty just welded his rear diff. That's a typical modification for grassroots drifting. Essentially, your differential in normal ways, when it's not welded, allows the outside wheel, when you're going around a turn, to spin at different speeds from the inside wheel. Because if you think about it, if you're going around a turn, the outside wheel has to travel farther than the inside wheel, and if they spin at the same time, it's gonna cause some slipping and hopping issues. But that's exactly what you want in a drift car. It makes the car a lot more unsettled and allows for more oversteer, especially in a car that right now, probably in this condition, has about 150 horsepower. I've actually never driven a welded diff car before. You said you just drove it in the rain?
Yeah, and it was fine, so I don't know.
That's freaking awesome.
I mean, I'm pretty sure that's what noises they're supposed to make.
Hopefully. Okay. New Vehicle Virgins mansion. Thank God they got the best pine tree prices out there. You wanna go shopping for some trees?
Yeah, bro, we'll just strap them to the roof.
Holy cow, dude, are you kidding me?
We need some roll.
How Michigan is this? So everything south of this freeway, according to Ty, you can use a shotgun.
I'm pretty sure.
And everything north of the freeway, you can use a shotgun and a rifle for hunting. Here we are. Look at that. Just signed in, time to go out on track. Damn, look at these project cars. I need a bus in my life. What? That thing is sick. I am super pumped for this, guys. Second time ever on an official drift track. You can probably hear this big turbo BRZ out in the back drifting. And honestly, I'm getting really stoked about the idea of a project car. This E36, for not all that much money, can be modified to a serious track weapon. Definitely going to be an entirely different experience. The last drift track I went to was in a 700 horsepower rear wheel drive Roush Mustang. Now we've got a bit less power, but might be more controllable, to be honest. Look at that thing. Swapping out the stock 17s for some 18s with some less grippy tires and 80 PSI. So I did misspeak before, this car is actually supercharged, not turbocharged. He's running positive camber in the rear and negative in the front, but apparently that setup is working awesome. Regardless, this thing sounds and looks awesome. Ty's about to do his preliminary runs in this drift car for the first time ever. This track looks awesome. Got all sorts of stuff out here today. How'd you feel?
I either need to go way faster or put way more PSI in these tires.
It was looking like you needed to go like way faster into the big one.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie, that larger, farther away oval is a massive turn. I'd say my odds of drifting all the way around that are pretty low. That was sick. All right, let's go see what the pros look like. Oh, that's sick.
Yeah, I come back.
All right, about to go for a ride in the supercharged BRZ. Let's see what it's all about. Well, that was freaking awesome. Time to go for a ride with Ty. This is honestly so sick out here. There's like 3 cars, 4 cars max, and we can just do as many laps as we want. I'm hoping in a little bit to get into the driver's seat and drift that E36. We may have a little problem here. I'm about to drive his E36, but how tall are you? Like 6'4"? 6'5". All right, he's 6'5". The seat's not adjustable because it's mounted in, and I can barely reach the clutch pedal, but we're gonna try it anyways. All right, first time out on the track. I can't touch the pedals, can't reach the steering wheel, but we're gonna send it. So you're doing basically everything in 3rd gear?
Yeah. That's just the shield rubbing.
Okay.
Clutch kick.
I'm not used to cars this little power.
That is a wall.
This thing is hard to slide.
Told you it wasn't easy. When you start to understeer that hard, just try to just not stay on the throttle, obviously. But
what? Like, how do you even get it to freaking go? Can I do one more lap? I'll do one more. Well, yeah, that's me drifting with 150 horsepower for you guys. Sick. There is definitely a reason why drift cars have 1,000 horsepower, but that being said, if you're out there successfully drifting in a stock E36 like this or anything in the below 200 horsepower range, you are a champion. That takes some serious skill. Skill that I apparently do not possess. Listen to that thing. I love how all those circle track cars are either sponsored by welding companies or body repair shops. I feel like these things crash into each other quite a bit, judging by the condition of all of them. I still can't quite figure out what they're doing, but looks like fun. Ooh, that was close. Oh, that was a wall tap. Awesome time out at the drift track. Obviously need a bit more practice, to say the least. Let's roll back to Ty's house. So obviously my drifting today on the track was terrible, but I wanted to show you guys my first experience out on that track driving this car, and it was still a ton of fun. If you want to watch some actual good drifting, I've drifted my E63 a bunch of times around the track and some other cars as well, but this lower horsepower type drifting is crazy. I just could not get that thing to start going sideways. Not to mention I also couldn't reach the pedals or the steering wheel, which might have helped, but. Well, another fantastic day. Ty, thank you so much for letting me drive your new drift car. The thing is an absolute, well, I can't call it a beast, but
not yet, it
will be a beast. It will be a beast. That thing, though, I would love to see your M3 drift. That's what he used to drift.
Tomorrow?
Let's do it.
We're going to a skid pad.
Yeah, are we really?
M1.
Oh yeah, M1.
So maybe we'll sauce a quick skid.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.